with respect to his product, and he also came to me to deliver his the skills and the products what he has. But unfortunately, I couldn't help him because I was occupied. Because I'm not good at PowerPoint presentations. You have been seeing over here made by somebody else. So, but he's in planning for to organize one, because that is really required nowadays. Most of the trainings we have, but in that area he doesn't. And also he's a life coach. And as he said, it is his rebirth, something that is really we need to learn about it. And still the same. You cannot imagine. And one day I told him that if you want, you can come down. He came all the way from which place? Your place? Amberpet by bus on time. Whatever the time we have agreed to meet, he came on time. Not late, not earlier. By bus, and within which short notice. So I assume, and that too when the bus strikes are going on. Imagine the way the way he planned and the way he acted promptly, and what sort of things he has gone through to come on time, we cannot imagine. So he is also a good counselor, and if you need any type of counseling, you can contact him, and you can have any of his, because he is a live lessons learned register, right? So we can learn from his lessons instead of reinventing the wheel.
Real life
Okay.
product manager.
All the best, and I'm very glad to see you over here. And I'm not supposed to give you the certificate.
No.
I'm not that level.
See, I'm small,
I'm
rebirth.
not
It's a rebirth.
with respect to your experience and everything, I'm not supposed to, but at least for the photographs.
Before taking certificate, let me tell. Because I was really at a very confused state about restarting my life. I have many things, I have very successful, but I don't know where to start or where to end. What are the possibilities? One of this program attended me, helped me a lot. It's built me that I can go to the same stage within 1 year back, because I've been paid 2 to 3 lakhs per month. So again, within a very short time, I can retrieve everything which I lost in this. It gave me a lot of confidence, and not only that, because although I have an experience, I can't say that I can't prove everybody that I am so and so and so. Once that certificate is there, if not me, they will believe the certificate. Once I enter, I will occupy the ground. So certificate really plays lot of value. Apart from that, being in the circle, who are of like-minded thinking, will change a lot. It will do miracles, because entire process is only mind game.
Exactly.
Entire process is only mind game. Because as a manager or a project manager, what do? It's only planning all sorts of things. So it's only this which makes. This can be done when more and more interactions happens and more support we get. I'm really thankful to each and everyone, especially to you and everyone.
Alhamdulillah.
I'm really thankful. Thank you, sir.
All the best once again.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, all of you.